What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here with the MJX X600. Just had the urge to fly my 600 since I was flying my X800. One of my favorite flyers, definitely, in my brush selection. Not too many channels really representing for these brushed models here. I did find one other, Drones and Dogs. Shout out to him. He's subscribed to my channel. I'm subscribed to his channel. If you guys like these kind of quads here, brushed models still, then you can check his channel out too. Not many channels still uploading content on these little guys. Well, this guy isn't little, but most of them are smaller. But let's get into this flight here. I did do a modification on mine. I added an XT30. This is a 2S bird, and so this allowed me to use a bunch of other 2S packs that are a lot better than the one that comes with this little bird. So we're gonna fire it up with this Beta FPV 600 milliamp hour pack, and this thing has a very long flight time too, so you can get away with flying a smaller 350 milliamp hour pack with this and get a pretty decent flight time as well. Thinking maybe I should have done that, because I really don't want this video to be too long. Maybe I'll fly it again on a night flight or something, I don't know.
I was thinking with you. I forgot the YouTube channel.
What's up, bro? We do have an on and off switch on here too, so that's awesome too. And I'm flying it with deviation. I got my
I gotta practice, because I want one. Like, I want one, but I don't want to go out and buy an expensive one first. And then, next thing you know, I want, like you said, flying in the air, destroying it. So I kind of was going to buy a small one, and then start like that, and then go up and go live. It looked fun. Like, it looked like it's something, a fun activity to
fun,
do.
Man. It's a fun hobby. Definitely.
As I said, it looked fun. Matter of fact, I'm
what's your name?
Deshaun. What's your
Jamal.
name? Jamal. I gotta tell. I'll probably tell the kids that you over here, and they might stop by and see you flying over here.
Oh yeah, I don't mind.
Yeah, I'm about to go tell them that you here.
All right.
All right. And I'm gonna tell them about the YouTube thing.
Okay.
Puppy, you use the camera too?
Sometimes, not on this one though. This just line of sight fun right here. Definitely a blast to fly these hexacopters. Especially with deviation. Bring it in close for a look. My switch on my Vivo is actually broken, so I can't activate my flips like I want to. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long. I'm gonna bring it in. MJX X600 hexacopter. Thanks for watching.